Nina.
And I'm Randa.
And for today's video, we took 5 fitness classes in 5 days.
So we're going to be showing you guys the different classes we took. We're going to be talking about them, how we liked them.
Maybe you guys can get some ideas on fun ways to work out, because classes are a really fun and motivating way to work out.
Yeah, there's definitely a different element when you're in a group setting. You feel like there's a little bit more of that competitive nature and you want to push yourselves, and it's just fun to try something new. So
a great way to make friends and maybe even somewhere you're interested in, I guess.
If you enjoy videos like this, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss a video.
Let's get into the video.
Okay, so the first class we took was TRX. So what is TRX? TRX is a class where you have these little almost like bands or strings that are hanging from the ceiling or from a bar.
Body weight.
And you're using your body weight to do different resistance training. So it's a great way to cross train. We love doing our cardio, but sometimes doing high impact all the time
can be hard on your knees.
Exactly. So it was really fun to try something new. And this class was really upbeat. And actually we took at Sandbox Fitness, and the fun thing about this is
it was in the sand.
Yeah, it was literally in the sand.
Barefoot, we were running around in the sand just like the beach, so it was even better for our joints, and the teacher was really nice. It was really fun.
I was surprised at how good of a workout it was, because you would just think oh, I'm just doing body weights, it's not going to be that hard, but by the end of the class I was okay, that was a good workout. I got a good sweat on.
We were sore the next day
I
too.
was sore, yeah.
We were really sore.
At this studio they have a surfboard. It's called Surf Set. That also sounds like fun, and that is something that we would both like to try as well.
The next class we tried was a boxing class at Top Out Fitness.
Boxing is super fun because it's you're using a lot of your arm work, but it's a full body workout because you're getting your core engaged.
We did lots of squats.
Yeah, so it was a full body workout.
I think it's cool because you kind of feel
empowered.
You feel empowered. It's good to walk around with a sense of yeah, I'm strong.
I can take you down.
Boxing makes you feel that way. And I was using muscles that I don't really use as much.
Your shoulder blades.
Your shoulder blades, because I do a lot of running. Can I just say that the next day was the sorest I'd ever been in my entire life.
Okay, I didn't find that.
I have been to running camp. I run 10, 15 miles. That was the sorest I've ever been. Ever. Every inch of me was sore.
And again, it was really nice to try something else, because we do like to do a lot of running, so it was cool to be able to get a really good workout by doing something like boxing.
Definitely give boxing a try. I feel like it could be especially good for people. I mean, it's good for everybody, but especially for people who are in maybe a slump and don't feel good about themselves. I feel like it's just a good Kickstarter into feeling a better you.
And maybe you can, take out your aggression. If you want to beat someone up, you just beat up that punching bag, boom, 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 right? I don't know.
Punch that negativity out of there.
Boom. So day 3, we were so sore from the TRX and the boxing. We were okay, we need to try a yoga class. So we went to Core Power Yoga, and that's hot yoga. So
we've been going there for years though, so we love that place.
It is yoga, so you might think, oh, it's not going to be that hard. It's going to be a lot of stretching, and I'm going to be just super zen.
But it's in a hot room.
It's heated.
So you're sweating.
You are sweating like a piggy. Oh my goodness, it is hot in here. It's so hot.
There was also, can I just say this? We didn't get it on film, I wish we would have, but there was the hottest guy in that class.
Right.
Couldn't believe it. He left really fast. Didn't get to talk to him. It was hard for me to focus on the mirror because it just was looking at him. No, I'm not even kidding. Is that terrible?
If that's not a reason to go to yoga, I don't know what else is.
But it was great because we got to stretch out our sore muscles,
yeah,
sweat, and then we took a shower. It felt like a day in Hawaii. It really did.
And the great thing about Core Powers, I feel like it's such kind of a bougie experience in a way, because the studio is so nice, and they have
it
showers.
Doesn't smell. It doesn't smell.
Yeah, because there's so many yoga studios that smell, and Core Power doesn't smell. So
keep it clean, man.
Yeah, I know Core Power. We've also tried their weight classes as well.
Those are good.
Yoga and
cardio,
sculpting, and that's a really tough class. So that's a lot of fun as well.
The next class I actually didn't take because I had a sore knee.
It wasn't for many of the classes. It was just you kind of overdid it.
Okay, I had the sore a sore muscle after a 24-mile bike ride, so I'm pretty sure it was that.
Yeah, so we were
doing better.
Nina, you need to lay low. I'm just gonna take this class myself.
Took a day off.
So I decided I wasn't allowed to film at the place, but it's called Barry's Boot Camp, and it was a lot of fun. So
tell me about it.
Basically, the class is you have a station of a treadmill and you have a station of the floor, or you could just select to be on the floor the whole time. So you're on the treadmill, and the teacher is saying to go to level 5, 6, or 7. You get to kind of choose your level of intensity on the treadmill, and so you do that for about 10 minutes, I want to say, and then you switch and go to the floor, and then you're doing body weight. So this is literally a full body workout, and then you repeat that 3 or 4 times, so you end up running probably around 3 or 4 miles on the treadmill, and you're doing high intensity as well, and then you're also doing we did arms abs and back.
Nice.
And the thing is, I felt like I could keep up with the class, but I did feel like, I was like, okay, that's a good workout. And by the time it came to like 8 p.m., I was so zonked. I was like, whoa, that class took it out of me hardcore. So
You went to sleep at like 8 p.m. that night,
yeah,
right?
and I was with Trevor, and poor guy.
You didn't get to hang out because
Yeah.
you just slept. Oh well.
I feel like that's a really great class as a whole as well, because you're getting all your muscles worked, and I just love cardio a lot, so I really enjoyed that class.
Get that dopamine in the brain.
Mm-hmm.
The final class we took was cardio bar. I was feeling better, so I decided to take this class.
If you don't know what cardio bar is, it is kind of what it sounds. It's literally ballet, like inspired from the bar, but cardio. So it's really fast and upbeat.
And they play fun music like Justin Timberlake and Bruno Mars, so that was really cool.
And it was really fun for us because if you guys didn't know, we grew up training in ballet and dance in general, so it was really fun to kind of like get back to our roots. I feel like anyone could take this class, even if you don't have much dance training, you could still take this class and enjoy it.
And it was cool because I feel like it attracts definitely more like women, so it was cool to be around like a bunch of other girls, and everybody was really nice and was complimentary after the class, so it was just a really cool environment, and I left feeling good about myself, and it was just really sweet.
Again, I went into it thinking that like, oh, maybe this is going to be kind of easy, like, is this really going to be like cardio? But it was definitely harder than I expected.
Once again, I think I was sore.
Yeah. That's the great thing about taking classes is you could learn so much and then apply it to your own workout. Now, if I go to the gym, I'll be like, oh, okay, I can do a little bit of cardio bar and like incorporate some of the stuff I learned from the classes with myself. But it's also really fun to be in a class environment
and be social. All these classes were really cool for us to take as well because they were low impact, which is good for your joints,
good to cross train. But we also want to add that you don't have to go to a fitness class to be in shape. I feel like some people watching this video might be like, oh, well, I can't afford to take all these classes, it's too expensive. But the thing is, like, you really don't need to spend a bunch of money to be healthy and fit. Like, normally, we just like to go on runs.
Run outside, go for a hike.
Yeah, or have like a gym membership. You don't need to spend a bunch of money to be in shape. We just thought that this could inspire you to try something new.
Do something fun. Maybe do something fun with your friends and family. There is a misconception that you have to be wealthy, get a trainer, or have the right nutritionist, when it's just not true. You have to eat the right foods. If you want recipe ideas, we'll leave a link to our book called The Clear Skin Diet in the description if you want to learn more about healthy eating. We'll also link our What I Eat in a Days if you want to get more ideas and recipes. Let us know in the comments what you guys like to do to work out. Give this video a thumbs up if you like healthy lifestyle videos. Don't forget to subscribe. We post videos every Thursday and Saturday. Also, we're gonna link in the description all the places we took classes at in case you want to check them out. And we will see you next video. Bye!